always wondered what the difference was between, wasp nests and like hornets nests. I don't know. Like, why are they so vastly different? What's up, y'all? Good morning. It's your boy back with another video, another vlog, day 2 of the vlogs. Back in the same area we started in. Still a little awkward talking to the camera, but it is what it is. We got a lot of positive feedback from the last video. I'm glad y'all enjoyed it. I'm glad I had a good time filming it. It was really fun. I got a few things lined up today. I know tonight, for example, I'm going to the peace walk. I'm gonna be holding a flag like the one you saw in the thumbnail, so I hope that goes well. Right now I'm waiting for my first class to start, and we'll do the same thing we did last time. Maybe we'll run into some people, maybe we won't, but yeah, see you there. Bye. What's up, y'all? I'm back. I'm right next to the fountain here, so it's like a little loud, but I just got out of class. I'm heading to the dining hall now. I'm gonna meet up with some friends and get something to eat. Day 2, healthy eating. So I'll see y'all there. Peace. Yeah, so I got like damn near the same meal I got last time. I don't know. It bust. Why not run it back? Run it back. I put some raisins on my shit just to try it out, but hey, we're gonna try it, so yeah. What's up, y'all? Back to the dining hall. Once again, hope you guys enjoyed that little clip of my food. I decided to spice things up a little bit. Again, it's like a little loud. My friends are here. They're currently in line. It's Fried Chicken Wednesday, so the dining hall is a little packed. So I'm bonding. I'm starting a little bit before them. So you know how we do it. Before we start the meal, gotta hit them with they eat the documents. All right, so let's go crazy. Let's see if it's as good as last time. First bite, and then when they get here, we'll cut to whatever shenanigans they got going on. I'm sure it's going to be something. All right, let's see. Tofu chicken, silver tofu chicken, spinach. This time I got spinach. They had spinach this time. Green onion and over rice. So let's try it all out. If I can pick it the fuck up. Yummy. Yummy, yummy, yummy. All right, y'all. See y'all in a bit. There's the fried chicken. That shit do kind of look a little dry today, but we gonna let it slide. We gonna let it slide. But this is Eric's food, so. He went to the bathroom, had to go shit his brains out, so that's something. All right, y'all.
Say that, you racist. What?
All right, what's up, y'all? I'm back. Yeah. So, this kind of ain't hitting as much as it did last time. The fried chicken, Eric's dry ass fried chicken got devoured. I'm with my other friends, Jazz and Grace. I don't know them. I just met them today. Never seen them before in my life. Yo, editing Cet-Ki here, and I just got to this part of the video
why the fuck was Jazz throating this pizza like this? Like, the shit was not that good, bro. Like, her eyes is closed, like her fucking neck muscles are popping, like the vein is showing. Like, the pizza was not this good, bro. Like, cut it out, bro. Cut it out. Eating a pizza like this is outrageous, and especially eating a pizza like this on camera like this is super outrageous, bro. What the fuck?
But yeah.
I cannot believe you were doing it.
Guys, I'm an influencer. Alright.
Is this like a social experiment, or is it required for a class? No, he's just vlogging.
Yeah, you gotta put that there when
On
I'm
his
talking.
YouTube.
Also, the audio's so bad that I don't know that if it's even picking up what you're saying right
Good, I hope it doesn't.
now. True.
We need little mics all the time.
Don't say that or I will buy that. The little Lavier mics. And you guys will never get tired. You guys will be tired of me.
You should wear it in the bathroom.
Nice. Alright, you heard it here first. Piss mics. Alright, see y'all later.
A few moments later.
An interesting new dish. Can you explain it?
It's my favorite. Well, if I like cornbread and I like mashed potatoes, why can't I like cornbread mashed potatoes?
True. Grayson's upset. Hey y'all, we're heading to the Peace Walk. We're about to go get our flags and walk down to the thing. I'm here with Eric. And we're about to go make it happen. Alright, see y'all later. Yeah, the world. World peace. Oh yeah. All those cars are stuck. Happy birthday! I do liking the world. Well, I'm gonna take it over. Oh my god.
Oh my goodness, I'm being eaten by a flag.
My bad. So like, when I took over the world and you turn the age of 80, you know, eventually you'll take a pill and you'll die. Because no more old people. Queen Elizabeth lived way too long. So it's crazy. She gotta go.
For legal reason, this is a joke. For legal reason,
This is a joke. This is a joke. Live as long as you want to.
Yeah, just don't vote for him.
Vote for me. Shout out to Iran. W country.
Yeah.
Got good food and shit, I guess. Michael Jackson was here. He sang "We Are the World." He also touched kids, so I don't know if we should be singing his song. Woo! I ran. Let's go.
He almost knocked me out.
Start standing out because we're going to get one big picture.
So yeah, we made it to the ugly ass dove. You can get a look at it. Peace and love and shit. Big shout out to Iran again. Eric, my cameraman almost fell. Alright,
probably get a speech. It is.
That is.
We scattered.
I don't know where you're supposed to go. Let's move up, I guess.
I'm trying to get the attention.
Okay, this one.
I guess he's about to talk or something. Not on. That microphone is not on at all. Bro said, "Can y'all hear me in the back?" No. Talking shit. What about just get sturdy right now? Get sturdy right now. Do it. Oh, we got like a little circle going on. Turn around, look, get the back. Yeah.
What's up, y'all? Editing Cet-Ki here. Several days after all the footage y'all just saw. I didn't record an outro, just nothing, just left that event, went to sleep and forgot about it until right now. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed that video. During that, I remember the peace walk being really fun. There were some speeches that I did not record, but just the speeches where, like, basically kumbaya, build bridges, not walls, etc., etc. It was a very lovely speech. At the end, there was a gentleman who sung his cover of Imagine that I liked a lot. So you guys can listen to that as this video goes off. But again, hope y'all guys enjoyed. I got more videos on the way. Peace and love.
Imagine all the people living for today. Imagine there's no countries. It isn't hard to do. Nothing to kill or die for. And no religion too. Imagine all the people living life in peace. You may say I'm a dreamer, but I'm not the only one. I hope someday you will join us, and the world will be as one. Imagine no possessions. I wonder if you can. No need for greed or hunger. A brotherhood of man. Imagine all the people sharing all the world. You may say I'm a dreamer, but I'm not the only one. I hope someday you will join us, and the world will live as one.
It's pretty good.